I have the Samsung Smart TV, and today I'll be showing you how to set it up for the first time using nothing but the smart remote control. Now this is a step-by-step process. I'll just be going every step so you can follow along. So as soon as you plug in the TV to a power source and press the power button to turn on the TV, this is the first screen you're going to see. Now you have two simple options to set up your TV. You can either use your smartphone or the remote control. Now I'll go with remote control and select that. To select, just press the selection button, which is this middle button on your remote control. Then the next thing you want to do is choose your region. So I'll just scroll and choose my region. If it's not in this list, I'll just choose others. And then it says all I need is a smart remote. And at this point, you can plug in any other devices you want to use with this TV. So if you have, for instance, an Apple TV or an Amazon Fire Stick, whatever other devices, or even a PlayStation, you can plug it in to the HDMI ports on the TV. Now, you can skip this and go ahead and press next. And then that's going to bring you to this wireless connection network page, or basically the internet connection page. So you can either connect an Ethernet cable, or your TV will automatically search for available Wi-Fi networks. So here mine has been found. All I need to do is select it, enter the password, and I'm going to enter the password using this virtual keyboard that pops up. So if I need to do any caps lock letters, I'll just come here, press that, turns my keyboard into caps lock, and then I can continue typing my password. For any special characters and numbers, then you can always come here and then you'll see special characters in case you need them. If you want to see what password you've typed, you can always come here and select show password, and then you can see the password in plain text. And if you don't want, you can just uncheck that. Anyway, once you type in your password, just come here down and select go, and that should connect your TV to Wi-Fi. Now, if you didn't want to connect to Wi-Fi, you can just click on skip. You can see skip in the top right corner, and you can do that by just pressing this right side button on the remote. But since I wanted to connect to Wi-Fi, let me just go ahead and connect. Once you get connected, you're going to be greeted with this page, and it says enjoy a wide range of smart features. So just click on start setup, just press the selection button, and then it's going to prompt you to sign in to the TV using your Samsung account. So since this is obviously a Samsung TV, you're going to need a Samsung account to access some of the more advanced features. Now, there are two ways you can sign in. You can either use your phone and scan that QR code and then sign in using your phone, or you can use the remote control. Now, since I said we're going to use strictly the remote control, I'll just go to the right hand side and select remote control. Now, this is going to prompt me to enter my username, which is my email ID, and password. And once again, I'm just going to go ahead and type using my remote. Once you enter your Samsung account email, just come here, click on next, and then now enter your password. And then click on go, and then select sign in. Now, if you have two-step verification, then just go ahead and use that to sign in. And then select done, and then click on verify. That's for people who have two-step verification. Now, before I click on next, if you didn't want to sign in to your Samsung account, maybe you just wanted to set up the TV and maybe use a Samsung account later, then you can always click on skip. You should see skip in the top right corner, and you can just skip by pressing the right side button, the button that's facing this way. Just press it on your remote and it's gonna skip this step. But for me, since I wanted to sign in, I've just signed in, and then I'll click on next. Now it's going to prompt me to register my product using the device serial number. Now you can do that, or you can skip that and do that later. I'll choose to skip and do it later. And then you have the terms and conditions and also the privacy policy. Now, as soon as that appears, I'll just choose agree to all and then click OK. And then it's going to start checking for updates. Fortunately, my TV is already up to date, so I'll just click on next. And then you have the option to keep your important stuff, which basically means backing up your data. So if you want to, you can enable backup for your home screen, which is basically your downloaded application list. And you can use this backup in case you change your TV to another Samsung TV. You can just restore all your data quickly using a Samsung account. Now, I'll just click on next here. Maybe just skip on that. And you can see it's already detected that I have previously saved some data. Now, you can skip all this by just pressing the skip button like that. And that's going to skip that part. And then you need to select your TV source. So whether you have cable or satellite, just go ahead and choose whatever you're using. But then again, since I have no broadcast signal, I'll just choose that and go next. So if you want to use voice assistant, this is the part where you set it up. Now, depending on what region you are, you can have Bixby, Google Assistant, or even Alexa, or even all of them, depending on what region you're in. Now, I have Bixby, so I'll just click on next, and then I'll have the option to link my apps. I have Prime Video there. I might have others also, depending on the region. I'll just click on skip because I'll set that up later. And now the TV is almost up and ready. There you go. And that is basically how to set up your Samsung Smart TV for the first time. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.